A luxurious living room with a view of the ocean, a large, purple, gem-like wall,
Where the velvet shadows grow, I find a world that feels serene.
and a plush purple sectional couch. The image depicts a modern, luxurious living space with a minimalist design scheme.
Compare, wrapped in hues of purple light, you and I beneath the night.
Large windows offer a stunning view of the ocean and a rocky coastline.
Will grow soft and bright like the stars that gleam.
The focal point of the room is a large, shimmering, amethyst-colored wall that appears to be a giant gemstone.
Laughter echoes off the walls like the
This wall, along with the plush, purple sectional couch, creates a sense of calm and tranquility.
cushions soft and curtains.
The room is bathed in soft, natural light, creating a serene atmosphere.
Our hearts entwine, our souls align in perfect.
The overall mood of the image is one of relaxation, sophistication, and natural beauty.
Place where only love will grow, soft and bright.
The picture shows a living room with a large purple couch, a rug, and a window overlooking the ocean.
Let the world fade away.
The living room is decorated in a minimalist style with a large, plush purple sofa in the center of the room.
For me and you. Amethyst dream
The sofa has several cushions on it, all in the same purple hue. In front of the sofa,
where hearts redeem will always live in.
there is a large purple rug, which matches the sofa. On the wall above the couch is a framed picture of a purple sunset over the ocean. The room also has 2 floor lamps, one on each side of the sofa, with white shades. On the left side of the room is a potted plant with green leaves. The window on the right side of the room offers a view of a tropical landscape with the ocean in the distance.
In the twilight,
The overall atmosphere of the picture is calm, peaceful, and serene. The use of purple throughout the room creates a feeling of tranquility and relaxation.
in the air, whisper soft beyond.
The lighting in the room is soft and warm, contributing to the peaceful atmosphere of the room.
Amethyst dream, let the colors flow in a
The image is of a stylish, modern living room with a large purple sofa, a potted plant, and a view of mountains.
dream.
The room is decorated in a minimalist style with a large purple sofa, a potted plant, and a view of mountains.
Every moment feels so pure. In this room we
The sofa is plush and inviting, and the pillows are arranged neatly. The plant is in a black pot and is placed on the left side of the room.
entwine, our souls align in perfect time.
The view of the mountains is visible through a large window and is framed by thin black blinds, with the mountains bathed in a soft purple light. The overall feel of the room is calm and serene. The picture shows a modern living room with a purple color scheme, decorated with plush furniture and an electric fireplace, with a view of the ocean and mountains through a window.
Will glow for me and you. Amethyst dream, our love
The picture shows a modern living room with a purple color scheme. The room is decorated with plush furnishings, including a large sofa with a few purple pillows. cafe table with a glass vase and a small tray, and several purple ottomans. There is an electric fireplace on the wall behind the sofa. To the left of the picture, a window looks out on the ocean and mountains. There is also a small, potted leafy plant on the left. The room is lit by spotlights on the ceiling and a lamp on the wall behind the sofa. The picture has a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. The purple color scheme gives the room a luxurious feel and helps create a sense of calm and tranquility. The large windows provide a stunning view of the ocean and mountains, adding to the overall beauty of the living room. The plush furnishings and the soft lighting create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The image depicts a luxurious living room with a breathtaking ocean view. The picture shows a sectional sofa, a cafe table, 3 round ottomans, and a rug, all in shades of purple. The room is situated inside a cave. With large windows offering a panoramic view of the ocean and a distant rocky coastline. The walls are made of beige marble and feature 2 large purple amethyst panels. One panel seems to be acting as a backdrop to a bathtub. The overall atmosphere is serene and luxurious, with a hint of mystery and allure. The sunlight streaming in from the windows creates a soft glow, highlighting the textures and details of the room. The view from the windows suggests a tranquil and secluded setting, adding to the overall peaceful ambience. The image evokes a sense of calm and exclusivity, inviting the viewer to imagine themselves relaxing in this opulent space. The picture shows a luxurious living room with a stunning view of the ocean from a balcony. The picture is of a living room with large windows that open to a balcony with a view of the ocean. The room is furnished with a purple couch, 2 purple chairs, and a glass coffee table. The couch and chairs are sitting on a plush purple rug. On the cafe table, there is a vase with purple flowers and a book. Through the large windows, one can see a balcony with white lounge chairs, a small potted plant, and a glass vase. The background is a picturesque view of the ocean. On an exceptionally clear day, the colors of the room and the view are warm and inviting, creating a relaxing and luxurious atmosphere. The picture suggests a serene and tranquil environment, perfect for relaxation and contemplation. The light filtering through the window and the view of the ocean
light, bathed in
create a sense of peace and tranquility. The purple color scheme adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to the room.
forever held in purple divine. In this space
Overall, the picture is evocative of a luxurious lifestyle and a calm and peaceful state of mind.